In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your logo bigger in Shopify for the year 2025. Perhaps you've been working on your Shopify store and noticed that your logo looks a bit smaller than you'd like. Don't worry, resizing it to better fit your website style is actually a straightforward process. You don't need to be a tech expert or dive deep into complex coding. We're going to walk through these simple steps together, so let's get started. First, you want to be in the right place on your dashboard. Open up your Shopify admin panel and navigate to the section dedicated to the look and feel of your site. This is where all the magic happens in customizing your store's appearance. You'll want to find your way to the online store section on the left side of the screen. When you click on Themes, you'll be taken to a page that displays your live theme, basically the design currently in use on your site. From here, you'll see a button labeled Customize that you'll need to select. It's this customization option that allows you to modify different elements of your theme. Now that we are diving into the heart of customization, let's focus on making your logo larger. Look for the Theme Settings button. You'll usually find it tucked away towards the bottom when you're on the customization page. Clicking on this opens up a world of options for you, and it's here where you can really play around with different aspects of your store's appearance. In the theme settings, you should see an option labeled Logo. Click on it, and you're getting closer to achieving your desired look. Within the logo settings, there should be a slider or a box that lets you adjust the width of your logo. Increase this width to make your logo larger on your storefront. You can experiment with different sizes to see what looks best. Try to find a size that's visually appealing, but also allows the other aspects of your website, like navigation and content, to stand out in harmony. Once you've adjusted your logo to a size you are happy with, remember to save your changes. This might seem like a tiny step, but hitting that Save button is crucial. Without saving, your adjustments won't be reflected on the live site. And there you have it. A bigger logo for your Shopify store, customized just how you like it. By using Shopify's intuitive interface, making these kinds of adjustments is incredibly user-friendly. Now that you've learned how to increase your logo size, take some time to explore other elements you can customize to enhance your website's appeal. Whether it's colors, fonts, or layouts, there's so much you can do to make your online store unique and inviting. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing!